Hey, 8th graders, welcome to another video tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about, I got to look at it, forgot what it's going to be, the real number system and integers. So get out a pen, pencil, paper, let's take some notes on this kind of stuff. So, here is a chart that lists real numbers, and in the real numbers, you've got natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You got examples of whole numbers, which is 0, and the natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you have integers, which includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but it also includes -1, -2, -3, okay? So all of this is in integers. And then you have rational numbers, which includes all of this plus these fractions. I mean, those are just a few examples, but. So here's what I like based on this chart, based on this, or this picture that you see here. Give me your own definition of what, that's supposed to say R. Spelling's not my forte, sorry. What are natural numbers, and a definition of what are integers based on this picture. So what are natural numbers? What are integers? And just press pause, write that down. We'll actually have a little cool video to show during class tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. Next. So, integers. Press pause. What are integers? We're going to discuss that tomorrow. One thing I want you to notice, though, when you look at this, here's a number line, and here's 0. And over here, you got 1, 2, 3, 4. And you guys know, like, as you go further this way on the number line, the numbers get bigger. Yeah, so you know if I said which is greater, 6 or 7, you would say 7, because 7 is further away from 0 than 6. So likewise, when you're looking at the negative numbers and you're asked which is greater, 7 or -1, you would say 7, because again, it's further away from 0. Questions? And I don't even know what's over here. Yeah, well, that's the definition. I don't want to press that yet. Okay, can I move on? Yeah, there's really nothing to take notes of because you've already wrote down a definition for integers on that last flip chart. So, I do want you to draw this positive and negative integers. This is a number line that's listing the integers. The origin is 0. So what do we want to discuss? The absolute value. So I think you might be familiar with this. I'm not 100% positive if you have been introduced to this concept or not, absolute value. But whenever you see these little dashes on the side of a number, it's saying the absolute value. So like, what's the absolute value of -3? Well, the answer is the absolute value of -3 is just 3. The absolute value of -4 is 4. The absolute value of 3 is 3. Okay, so that's kind of confusing, but when you say absolute value, it's just saying the distance away from 0. So if you have a -3, what's the absolute value of -3? Well, it's 3 increments away from 0. So absolute value represents the distance of the integer from its origin, and the origin is 0. So I do want you to write that definition down. What did I just do here? So let's hit here. So write this definition down right here, absolute value. It's just, what does that mean? Just the distance from its origin, okay? Press pause if you need to. So again, the big thing on your assignment is just comparing, knowing which is greater than, less than. And so like I said, which is greater than, less than, here again, you know, as you go this way on the number line, the value gets larger and larger, you know. So 2 is greater than -4 as you go this way. So here's what I would like for you to do is you're going to press pause and solve these 4 questions. We'll discuss them tomorrow. You know, which is greater than, less than, equal to. All right? So make sure you don't just give me the sign like on your paper. Don't just do stuff like that. And I don't know if that's the answers, but write the problem down so we can discuss, so you'll remember which one you were saying is greater than, less than, or equal to. And that's really it. Wow, that was a very fast video tutorial. How much time is that? I can't see because my eyes are blind. I don't even know, 4 minutes, 5 minutes? So that's it. So then the very last thing I want you to do, remember how on a lot of these video tutorials, I'm going to give you a problem of the day. This is number 3. Number 3. We're going to get 10 problems, and this will be your grading scale of those 10 problems. I mean, if you can get 6 right out of 10, wow. Yeah, rock on, right? 6 out of 10, and you get a 90, okay? So the first one I gave you was kind of hard. The second one I gave you was kind of easy. This one I don't know. So anyway, it just says, read this, do it on a separate sheet, because remember, you're going to turn that into me. You're just going to turn it in. We won't really discuss it probably, unless you guys want to. We'll bring it up, but turn it in. And that's the end of this video tutorial on integers. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye now.